Hi friends, I today this video is for those people who have whose battery of the laptop is damaged. Today I'm going to show you that how a damaged battery we can without buying a new one, we can just do its maintenance, and it will be worth charging, and it will be working for us. So our laptop is Latitude E7240, and now the battery status is it is being charged. Now I want to show you the status. So it is 48%. For charging is 48%. Now if I remove the plug, charging plug, now I have removed it. Even then it is so it will say that. So if it, no, so I will show you that what the problem occurred. This video is for those people who had same problem that came with my laptop. The problem was that due to overcharging at night or due to overflow of the current, it's one of its cells that was inside it that swelled, and due to swelling, and it has broke down this plastic cover. So I want to remove this battery, and I will show you how I did its maintenance. So this is actually our battery. I have already opened it, so it will be easy for us. So using some sort of knife or some tools, so I would like to show you that which of the cells out of these was damaged and how that damaged cells can be removed. So it will take some time, it will take some effort, and we will have to very carefully uh, remove this upper cover. So it is not coming due to, so first of all I remove this one, and then now we see that there are 1 2 3 and fourth, there are 4 cells in it. So 3 cells were working okay. The fourth one is this one. It actually swelled, due to which it broke its back cover here. So if you have the same problem with your battery, now this video is for you specially, that I have just removed this swelled battery from this panel, and rest I can show you that these are its terminals, one positive and negative. I left them same way, I didn't change them, so there is no flow. So then I packed it, and these batteries I want to show you, these are just okay, no swelling in this battery, this is okay, and this one is also okay, and the third one, this is also in okay status. So those 3 cells are okay, the fourth one was damaged, so I removed the damaged one, and circuit was not affected. So rest everything is very simple. So if that is the problem with your laptop, you can just carefully open it up using some sort of tools, or simply making some effort. It will take some force, and then you can keep it back over here, and it will be again useful. Now when I plug in this same battery, so I have it, somehow it's okay now. The same battery, now I'll again play. Earlier it was giving no voltage, no storage. So when I removed that one cell from there, then I plugged in the charger, it was okay. So this is for the demonstration purpose. Let me see if I can. No, it is not in the position. Once again I will have to check it. so it didn't settle very well. So once again let me try. It is okay from this side now. Little bit due to poor handling, it affected somehow. It is, but you can do it with little bit care and take some time and do it better than me without going to spend any sort of so if it is not coming in position, I will just hold it. Let's see if I am successful. Yes, it's okay. I will just have to hold it. It was again, so it is, I have removed the plug. I am not charging it, it is removed. So the same battery is now in OK position. So if you have the laptop E7240 and your battery has the same situation, so with actually the market price for this battery is, at the moment it was 5000 PKR, and if you do not have that much money in your pocket and your laptop is for your daily routine works and you are being disturbed. So now we see the battery stated, it is still on. So it has 48% charging, it holds the charging. So with 3 cells, I removed the 4th one and I have shown you that 4th one. This is the 4th one, these are its terminals. So it is still okay. So thank you very much. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel for more videos about laptop and other things.